Hello printmakers, this is your update on what you need to do this week in printmaking. Each of you should be either getting a package in the mail that has your plates in it, or you needed to go to the art building and pick up your plate packet last week. I hope you picked that up, or it may not be there now. So if you have not, please go over to the art building and pick it up. It's on the photography door in the back facing engineering. So please make sure you pick that up so you can be part of the demonstration on Thursday. Everybody needs to be online on Zoom at 1 p.m. on Thursday. I will be demonstrating how to do intaglio plates. You do need to make sure you have your plate with you, obviously the packet that I gave you, and an X-Acto blade. So please make sure you have both of those things and then jump on at 1 p.m. and I will show you how to etch your plate. You have a little picture in there as well. We're going to be working on that first, and then you will have a summative. So what you need to hand in this week, last week you handed in a tutorial that you should have followed from a YouTube video on how to do a pen and ink drawing. This should have been better than the worksheet that you did. This should have showed better understanding of how to use a pen, because that's going to become in handy when you start doing intaglio. Those same line marks will be coming and appearing when we start doing that. So you need to do your pen and ink reflection. That is actually due today. So please make sure you fill that out in regards to your drawings that you've been doing. You also need to define what an intaglio is. It's easier to understand what that is and how it works if you know kind of what I'm talking about. We will be doing dry point intaglio, so you might want to look that one up specifically, dry point on plexiglass. And then, of course, we're going to start doing our etching on our plexiglass on Thursday. So please make sure that you do these things so you have a better understanding when we start doing our demonstration on Thursday. So the other thing you need to be aware of is your final pen and ink drawing for this class is going to be due next Wednesday, May 6th. Okay, and this is what I'm expecting to see from you. So these are two images regarding pen and ink. This one, this is what I have been seeing kind of handed in from this last assignment, is just like a lone object in the middle of a format. I have seen probably 90% of you handed in something that looked similar to this. I am expecting more than that for your final. Your final, so if the theme was trees, which it's not, it's isolation or isolated, if the theme was trees, you should be handing something like this in for your final drawing, with the intention of it actually being an intaglio at some point. If you get to the point where you can hand in your plate, that's cool, but your final is going to actually be a really well drafted drawing that can be handed in and be done as an intaglio. So do you see the difference? This is a lone object in the middle of a format. You have to use the whole format. Okay, I don't want to just see a little tree in the middle of nowhere. You see that there are clouds and multiple trees, and there's a really good composition with somebody in the foreground right here. It uses all of the space. The space is completely filled up, telling a narrative. And that's what the expectation is for your final drawing for this class. Each of your plates are a little bit different in size, so I cannot tell you your drawing should be somewhere around 4 by 4. Most of them are square, so you should be planning on kind of a square format for your intaglio piece. But again, I do not want this handed in for your final intaglio. You've already handed that in. I need to see progress on your drawing abilities in regards to this. So again, this is the expectation for your final drawing in this class, which is due next Wednesday. The other thing that you're going to be doing as kind of your final in this class is you will have a critique and a reflection. So once you hand in your drawing will go into your folder, and then somebody will probably critique yours, and you will critique somebody else's, and then you will critique your own. Just like we've always done in class, that's kind of how our critiques work. So you will be filling out this final reflection and handing that in. These are your finals for printmaking this year. And so please make sure you have all of this handed in, and that will make sure that you're successful for the quarter. Again, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Obviously, if you're lost or you don't know what you're doing, this Zoom time slot Google document is there. You can sign up for a time to go over stuff with me, especially if you are lost or confused or you don't know what you're doing. But please be aware that there will be a demonstration, printmaking intaglio demonstration at 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time on Thursday. Please plan on being there. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Bye, guys.